Where to go overlanding in West Virginia? Nestled amidst the rolling hills and lush forests, West Virginia boasts a tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. Imagine winding trails that lead to hidden waterfalls, rugged terrains that challenge your off-road skills, and camping spots where the symphony of nature serenades you to sleep. The state's beauty isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience that captures the essence of adventure. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the Overland Times, your ultimate guide to the wonders of overlanding. In our thrilling journeys, we explore the road less traveled, embracing the spirit of exploration and the thrill of the unknown. Monongahela National Forest. Embarking on an off-roading tour through the rugged terrain of Monongahela National Forest is a journey into nature's untouched masterpiece. The forest's allure lies in its untamed diversity, promising an adventure that will ignite your spirit of exploration. As you fire your engines and dive into this off-roading escapade, lush forests will envelop you. Towering hardwood trees reach for the sky, creating a leafy canopy that dapples the trail with sunlight. The air is crisp, filled with the invigorating scent of the woods. Your off-road adventure begins here, surrounded by the vibrant wildflowers and the rustling of leaves. But the true thrill of Monongahela National Forest lies in conquering the babbling streams and rivers that meander through its heart. Your off-roading expedition will take you across crystal clear waters where the symphony of flowing water adds rhythm to your journey. Ford these streams, navigate the riverbanks, and let the watery serenity guide you deeper into the forest's embrace. Climb higher, and you'll discover the forest's crowning jewel, majestic mountain vistas. The terrain shifts, presenting challenging ascents and descents that test your off-roading skills. Atop these peaks, you'll savor panoramic views that stretch for miles. It's a vista worth every muddy tire and exhilarating climb. As your off-road adventure continues, you'll encounter iconic landmarks like Seneca rocks. These dramatic geological formations just defiantly form the landscape, a testament to the raw beauty and ancient history of the region. Pause to take in their sheer cliffs and rocky facade, marveling at nature's artistry. While conquering rugged terrain, keep a keen eye out of the forest's inhabitants. Monongahela National Forest is a wildlife haven. Deer gracefully leap through the underbrush, black bears forage for food, foxes dart among the trees, and various bird species grace the skies. It's a thrilling encounter with nature at its purest. As the seasons change, so does the forest's charm. In the fall, the deciduous trees burst into brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow, painting the landscape with an artist's brush. This natural spectacle creates a breathtaking backdrop to your off-roading adventure. Every off-roading excursion through Monongahela National Forest leads to diverse ecosystems. Traverse wetlands and bogs in Dolly Sods wilderness, or explore the high-elevation spruce forest in Canaan Valley. Each ecosystem offers a distinct and captivating experience for the intrepid explorer. Yet, amidst the thrilling off-roading trails and picturesque vistas, one of the most striking aspects of the forest is its serene tranquility. It's a place where the world's noise fades away, replaced by the gentle sounds of the wilderness. Whether you're camping beside a babbling brook, pausing for a moment of contemplation, or pushing your off-road vehicle to its limits, Monongahela National Forest provides an escape for the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As you venture forth on your off-roading tour, remember to follow leave no trace principles. Respect the wildlife and their habitats, stay on designated trails, and ensure you have the necessary permits for activities like camping and fishing. Monongahela National Forest is your playground for adventure, a place where nature's beauty and off-roading excitement converge into an unforgettable journey. The Enchanting Seneca rocks. Reimagine your off-roading adventure as you set your course for the breathtaking Seneca rocks within the enchanting Monongahela National Forest. This natural marvel stands tall, almost 900 feet above the landscape, making it a remarkable beacon for adventurers. As you approach Seneca rocks, you'll first encounter its striking cliffs, standing as a testament to nature's raw power. These towering monoliths create a dramatic contrast with the surrounding lush forest, a juxtaposition that's both awe-inspiring and picturesque. It's a sight that commands your attention, beckoning you to explore further. For thrill seekers, Seneca rocks offer a tantalizing challenge. Climbers of all skill levels are drawn to its sheer walls where the echoes of adventure resound. Conquer the rock faces and experience the exhilaration of reaching new heights, all while being surrounded by the untamed beauty of the forest. If you prefer to stay grounded, hiking trails wind through the forest, leading you to elevated viewpoints that unveil panoramic vistas of Monongahela National Forest. With each step, you'll uncover new angles of this breathtaking wilderness. While you're out and about, keep your eyes peeled for the forest inhabitants. Nature enthusiasts and photographers alike will relish in opportunities to spot local wildlife and capture the essence of the wilderness on film. It's a chance to connect with the natural world in its purest form. For those seeking a deeper connection with Seneca rocks, outdoor learning programs are available. These programs provide insights into the geological history, ecological significance, and cultural heritage of this iconic destination. Expand your knowledge and appreciation as you explore this geological wonder. As you embark on your off-roading journey, safety should be a top priority. Respect the formidable cliffs and adhere to climbing safety protocols. Stick to the designated trails to protect the delicate ecosystem that surrounds Seneca rocks, ensuring it remains pristine for generations to come. Seneca rocks is more than just a destination. It's a fusion of adventure and tranquility, where the beauty of towering cliffs and lush forest captivates your senses. So rev your engines and set your sights on Seneca rocks within the heart of Monongahela National Forest. Let the spirit of the rocks fuel your sense of wonder, and may your off-roading experience be enriched by the majesty of this natural wonder. Now before we dive even deeper into our off-roading adventure, I want to take a quick pit stop. It's your turn. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and experiences related to off-roading, camping, or exploring the great outdoors. Have you ever ventured into a forest like Canaan Valley or take a scenic drive like the Highland Scenic Highway? Maybe you have a favorite camping memory or a secret spot you'd like to share. Don't be shy. Your insights can be a source of inspiration for fellow adventurers. So go ahead, hit pause for a moment, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We're all ears. Let us not forget about why are we really exploring West Virginia. Overlanding. Dolly Sods Wilderness Trails. Prepare for an off-roading odyssey for the Dolly Sods Wilderness, nestled within Monongahela National Forest. Your adventure kicks off on the same gravel roads known as the Road to the Sky, easily conquerable by any vehicle. The starting point is at the intersection of State Route 28/7 and 75, which doubles as the American Discovery Trail. As you venture along Route 75, you stumble upon a few camping sites strategically positioned for the night ahead. Secure a spot and mark it with your gear, or opt for the Red Creek Campground in Dolly Sods. Beyond the Bear Rocks Preserve area, campgrounds become scarce, so choose wisely. A challenging 5-mile uphill drive leads you to the Bear Rocks Preserve parking area. While compact, it provides a launch pad for your wilderness exploration. Keep in mind, Dolly Sods weather can change rapidly, so pack with versatility in mind and embrace the elements. Dolly Sods is a haven for hikers, offering a mosaic of trails suitable for all skill levels. From short leisurely strolls to extensive treks, the diverse terrain promises breathtaking sights. As daylight fades, contemplate your lodging options. You can camp at Red Creek Campground, note the high demand in fees, select a site along Route 75, or venture deeper into Canaan Valley and Black Waterfalls area for the perfect sanctuary. Spanning 17,371 acres across Grant, Randolph, and Tucker counties in West Virginia, Dolly Sods Wilderness is a natural masterpiece. Here, you'll encounter a tapestry of landscapes, from bogs to heath ecotypes, all at elevations ranging from 2,500 to over 4,700 feet. In your off-roading expedition, remember the leave no trace ethos. Camp responsibly at least 200 feet away from roads, streams, and trails, preserving the wilderness. With an expansive network of 47 miles of trails, Dolly Sods invites you to hike, backpack, camp, and immerse yourself in a distinctive and thriving ecosystem. Exercise caution during streams crossings, particularly in high water events, and revel in the thrill of off-roading as you explore forest roads, discover prime campsites, and partake in activities like fishing, camping, and climbing. Dolly Sods Wilderness beckons as your off-roading getaway to pristine natural beauty and thrilling adventure. Start your engines and let the untamed wilderness of Monongahela National Forest be your guide on this unforgettable journey. Canaan Valley and Highland Highway. This natural wonderland is known for its breathtaking beauty, and it's your getaway to an off-roading journey like no other. As you embark on your adventure, you'll navigate the forest roads that crisscross Canaan Valley, offering access to fantastic camping and dispersed camping sites. Whether you're setting up camp or casting your line into the pristine streams and rivers, the valley's tranquility and natural charm will surround you. For the angler in you, Canaan Valley's waters are teeming with opportunities to fish against a backdrop of stunning scenery. Cast your line, relax, and soak in the beauty of the wilderness. But Canaan Valley isn't just for campers and anglers. It's a playground for thrill seekers too. Adventure enthusiasts can test their mettle for climbing and various outdoor activities. Whether you're scaling cliffs or exploring the valley's nooks and crannies, there's an adventure awaiting every explorer. To ensure a safe and respectful off-roading experience, it's essential to follow campground rules and practice responsible camping. Remember to respect private property boundaries and exercise caution when navigating the rugged forest roads that define this landscape. Keep an eye on seasonal road closures and travel advisories to plan your trip accordingly. And let's not forget the Highland Scenic Highway, a paved road that takes you on an incredible journey through the Appalachian Mountains within Monongahela National Forest. This road is a visual marvel, offering 4 scenic overlooks that showcase the grandeur of the Allegheny Highlands and Plateau as you ascend to altitudes of up to 4,500 feet. The Highland Scenic Highway isn't just about the drive. It provides access to hiking and biking trails that allow you to explore the forest depths. Be mindful of seasonal road closure, particularly during the winter months when the road isn't maintained, typically from November to March. For the off-roading aficionado seeking a more technical challenge, delve into Canyon Rim Road, Dolly Sud Road, Canaan Loop, and the Old Mine Road. These routes promise an exhilarating off-roading experience with the forest as your companion and dispersed camping opportunities to discover. Canaan Valley and the Highland Scenic Highway invite you to embark on an off-roading adventure that combines the beauty of nature with thrilling activities. So gear up and set forward on an unforgettable journey within the heart of Monongahela National Forest, where every twist and turn promises new discoveries and lasting memories. As we wrap up on our adventure today, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks for joining us on this journey to the untamed beauty of the great outdoors. If you've been inspired by the landscapes, the off-roading trails, and the wonders of places like Monongahela National Forest, Dolly Sods, and Canaan Valley, we encourage you to keep exploring. Remember, the world is a vast playground waiting to be discovered, and the Overland Times will always be here to guide you on your next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned overlander or a newcomer to off-roading worlds, we hope our videos have ignited your passion for exploration and thrill of the unknown. Subscribe now